Hello students, today I am going to discuss about chemical bonding. Chemical bonding. So at first you have to know why atom forms bond. Because after forming bond they attain noble gas-like configuration, and noble gases are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay, xenon, radon. So these are noble gases, and in case of helium, an outermost shell, it has 2 electrons, and rest they have 8 electrons in their outermost shell, and this is called duplet, and this is called octet. Okay, this is called duplet, and these are octet. So every atom wants to attain this type of configuration, like noble gases, inert gases, because they are stable. Okay, so every atom wants stability. So now at first I am going to discuss about covalent bond. Covalent bond. And now what is covalent bond? Basically covalent bond, or you can say molecular bond. It has another name. This is molecular bond. Okay, is a chemical bond that involves the sharing of electron pair between atoms. Sharing of electron pair between atoms. Sharing of electron pair between atoms. An example, as for example, H2. In H2, hydrogen has single electron, so the mutual sharing occurs here, and it forms this H2. And in this case, after sharing, before sharing, hydrogen had 1 electron. Okay, single electron. But after sharing, now it has helium-like configuration, because this bond, it consists 2 electrons. So now these are helium configuration. So they attain the noble gas configuration. Another example, carbon, CH4, methane. This is methane, CH4. In this case, CH4. So now, in case of carbon, it has now 8 electrons in outermost shell after forming this compound, and in case of helium, it is 2 electrons. So it has electronic configuration like neon, and it has electronic configuration like helium, because neon has atomic number 10. Okay, so now carbon has, now I am explaining it, 2, 2, 2, 2, that is 8 electrons in outermost shell. Okay, now after forming the bond, so this is neon configuration, and in case of hydrogen it has helium configuration. So basically hydrocarbons, they form this covalent bond or molecular bond. Hydrocarbons like CH4, C2H6, okay, C2H4, CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. Okay, so these are hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means hydrogen with carbon. This carbon, hydrogen, hydrocarbons. Okay, CH4, HCl. Okay, so they form this type of covalent bond. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Another one is ionic bond, or you can say electrovalent bond. And you have to remember this covalent bond forms between two same electropositive or same electronegative elements, atoms or atoms. But in this case, ionic bond, one atom is electropositive and another will be electronegative. In case of sodium, it is electropositive. This is metal, so metals are electropositive in nature, and it has a single electron in outermost shell, and when it forms bond with chlorine, then chlorine is electronegative and this is electropositive, so it donates this electron to chlorine. Now bonds are like this. So now chlorine has electronic configuration like argon and sodium has electronic configuration like neon, because after releasing this electron, now this is Na plus, Na has atomic number 11, after releasing one electron it has 10, that means neon configuration, and after accepting this electron from sodium, chlorine has 18 electrons, that means argon configuration. Now they have attained the noble gas configuration. Okay, so now this is stable. So to attain stability, they forms these types of bonds. Okay, so ionic bond forms in case of forming of ionic bond will be between strong electropositive and strong electronegative element. Remember it. Okay, in case of say MgO, Mg has 2 electrons in outermost shell. MgC, say MgCl2, Cl has 7 electrons. So it donates it. It will be MgCl2. Okay, so Mg, atomic number of Mg is 12. Now after releasing, that is Mg2 plus, it will be Mg2 plus, that means it has 10 electrons now. So this is neon configuration. And in case of chlorine, it has 18 electrons like argon. This is argon configuration. So these are unit gas configuration. So every atoms, they want to attain noble gas like configuration. Okay, so there are different types of bonds are there. That is dative bond or coordinate bond or coordinate covalent bond. Okay, so I will discuss later. So these are bonds: covalent bond or molecular bond, ionic bond, and or electrovalent bond. In case of definition of say ionic bond, one atom transfer electrons to another. One atom transfer electrons to another. In case of Mg, it transfer electrons to another, that is chlorine, because it forms between two atoms. One is strong electropositive and another one is strong electronegative. So follow your textbook for examples. Okay, and I will discuss another topic in my next class. Okay.